to take your fingers and run them all through my strings. Strum it out, strum it out, strum it out. You can play in the key of love.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are trying out what, Faith?
Boba for the first time.
We're trying out Boba.
Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bang.
Hit that bell, guys, so let's get into it. What are those little things that hang in there?
You talking about the bubbles? You talking about the bubbles?
Oh, that's what it is, bubbles?
Yeah.
It look like
sugar ones.
Oh, okay, so they look like little black
Yeah.
beads or seeds?
They're
Okay.
brown sugar made.
What kind of flavor they have?
I just have brown sugar ones.
What kind of flavor you have?
It's just brown sugar in that one.
Oh, because she was saying something about peach and different flavors.
Oh yeah, but
You want to try strawberry banana?
The boba?
She said, is it boba?
you can add it too.
You get, okay, she'll try that.
I got a real pretty little thing that's waiting for me. I just wanna be anticipating good love. Don't keep me waiting. I got plans to put my hands in places I ain't never seen. Girl, you know what I mean. Take the talk, take the talk, nice and quiet. There ain't no one better to up. Ain't gotta rush. I just wanna take it nice and.
Okay, guys, so Faith tried she had strawberry smoothie. So, how do you like it? How do you like it? You like it? She kept talking about this boba, so now she finally got it. So, she said she rated good. I'm gonna try one, so I think I'm gonna try one. Ready to eat? So what does those little things taste like inside? What it tastes like? These coffee beans? Okay. So I'm gonna try one and I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion. Hang on.
Be like a guitar hero. Play me like Benny. Strumming me legendary. Play me like Jimmy. Teach me a new song. Boy, I know plenty.
Okay guys, so I got the watermelon slush, so I'm gonna try mine.
But that's just a slushie.
Oh my god. This tastes just like watermelons. Now I love it because they use real fruit here. Everything is organic. They use real fruit. Everything's fresh. It's healthy. I'm gonna rate this a 10. My first time trying this. This is really good. If you have a bubble tea in your area, I would suggest you to try it. You will absolutely love it. This is really good. They have all flavors, banana, pineapple. They have all flavors. I give this a 10. It's so good and refreshing.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Okay, so I'm shining hers because I'm a thief. Anyways.
Yes, you're a thief. She had her bubble, whatever this thing was. I wasn't a fan of this. But
I did this a 9.
she wanted to try it. But I like it without those little things in there. You like the watermelon?
Yeah, but if I change these to the pink bubble, I think I will like it.
Because it tastes like real fruit, right? Can I have my drink back? This is not my drink. Don't run out of here. Don't run. Give me my drink. You see that? She robbed me for my drink.
Hello.
I'm out of here. Come back, Faith, with my drink. Faith.
Run.
Faith. Don't let me have to chase you. Come back with my drink.